Hello and welcome to Harmony. First, you will want to visit the Apple Store or the Android Store, search for Harmony, and download it to your phone. This should only take a minute or two. Next, to log in, you can choose to sign up for a new account or use an existing social media profile such as Facebook or Twitter to log in. Once created, you will use this profile to log in, and then to list your shelter or request shelter if needed. After successfully logging in, the first step is to complete your profile and your verifications. First, click on the menu icon on the bottom right of the screen. Then select your username at the top left that will take you to the user profile. From the profile page, press the pencil icon to edit and finish creating your detailed profile. Be sure to create a detailed profile. It will help you make a connection more quickly. Add a good profile picture. Scan a clear picture of your driver's license or other government ID. And note, this image will not be shared until a connection has been made. It will not be publicly visible. Also, add as many links to social media as you're able. All these things will help a prospective guest or host get to know who you are before arrival. Finally, if you have a group ID, add it to your profile now. When complete, be sure to update. Once you have a profile, it's time to add your shelter. From the dashboard, select Have a Place. Proceed to the shelter management screen by selecting the Provide a Shelter image link at the top or by selecting the house icon in the footer. At the bottom of the shelter management screen, click on Add a New Shelter. From there, complete the required shelter information. Be sure to add attractive, well-lit photos of the exterior and interior of your property. Share enough detail that a potential guest will know exactly what you are offering. When you select a listing visibility, note that choosing Public will make your property searchable to anyone. Selecting Private will give you the opportunity to add a group ID to your listing and limit your visibility to those with the same group ID. Within the description box, give as much detail as possible about your shelter offering. Note anything that might be helpful to an arriving guest. Complete the remaining information as requested. If you are allowing pets, use the text box to describe more fully what you will accept. For example, small dogs only, or no cats please, or fenced yard. Once again, provide information that an arriving guest will find helpful and that will make it easier for you to host. Finally, before you submit, enter a group ID if you have one. Click Submit, and then head back to the shelter management screen, select Map View, and verify that your listing posted as you intended. You're able to add as many shelters as you have to offer, and you can edit your current listing at any time. From the shelter management screen, if you choose to not have your listing active, simply click the slider button next to the shelter name, and it will be deactivated on the map. At any time, you may choose to reactivate the shelter, and the map will be updated in real time. Lastly, from the Have a Place dashboard, you will also see other users that are in need of shelter in your area. You can choose to reach out and offer shelter direct to other users who are in need after posting a shelter in the shelter management dashboard. Imagine this. You have been evacuated from your home. Hotels and shelters are full for hundreds of miles down the road. Traffic is backed up for hours on the freeways. What do you do? With Harmony, maybe someone out there sympathizes and is willing to let you use their spare bedroom for a couple of days until the danger is past. But where are they and how do you find them? From Harmony's main dashboard, go to the Need a Place screen. Turn on the I Need Shelter slider button. This alerts other Harmony users in your area that you are actively seeking shelter. They are then able to find you and offer you a place to stay. You are also able to see a listing of other Harmony users in that area who are offering shelter and can browse their profiles and offerings. If you click on the Need a Place button again, it will take you to the Map View and allow you to search the maps of listings that are available. Any listing in blue is active and available to book. Any gray listing is currently unavailable. Clicking on the filtered results will filter the map to your preferences and only properties with your group ID attached if applicable. The filtered results button is located in the search field at the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the list view or the map view, you can click on any active listing and browse their offering. If the offering meets your needs, click Book Now to reserve. You will be redirected to a credit card input screen and ask to place a $100 authorization hold. Please note, this is not a charge on your card, and funds will not be captured. This is an authorization hold. It is used to verify identity. The hold is fully released in full at the end of 7 days or the successful completion of a stay. Once done with your stay, go to the My Listing icon, the middle icon on the menu at the bottom of the screen. Under the My Booking List menu, select the listing of your current stay. Click the Checkout button to complete your stay and to release your credit card hold. Also note that from this screen, by selecting the profile picture icon, you will be able to see the person's contact information, including phone number and email address, where you can then reach out and directly confirm the location of the shelter that you have booked. This feature is also available on the Have a Place dashboard and their listing screen, and they can connect with you once the shelter has been booked.